And let's talk about the Indian rupee now. That also saw some declines coming in today. The decline in equity markets and euro and the strength in US dollar index at around 3-month highs is something that has been pressurizing the currency as well. Let's get in then. Satyajit Kanjilal, he's CEO ForexServe, and he joins us live on the show. Mr. Kanjilal, hi, welcome. Of course, it's the FOMC minutes which is impacting in the markets across here. But what's your expectation on the rupee range now ahead of the budget?
Well, hi, Manisha. Well, I think, as you said, the FOMC minutes made people realize that the Fed might change their tack at some point in the near future, or if not, sometime in the course of this year. So, which really saw the dollar again back to its strengthening mode, and the risk-on sentiment was taken off the table for the moment. So, you know, the overall, we find that this keeps on happening quite often, that risk off and risk on, and we're seeing right now risk off. But there is a difference at this point of time, because we've seen the pound also collapse below the supports, and it's really on the way lower with the prospect of its being downgraded, its status being, a AAA status being downgraded, and also the fact that there's going to be more printing by the Bank of England. So, you know, the two strong European currencies blocks are facing the consequences of being strong in the recent past, and they're really correcting. So, therefore, the euro has also come off very strong support. So, we feel that there could be a period where the euro will consolidate at lower levels, and in fact go much lower than where it is. So, on that theme, I would say that the dollar has room to strengthen at this point of time for the next couple of months, in fact, if you ask me, before we see it again lose. But this is a difference from what we've seen in the recent past.
Sure. Very strong gains coming in for the dollar, 0.5% up, but near 1% of decline for the euro and the rupee. Vijay, getting in your final word as well, what's your sense on the rupee trades now for the tomorrow?
Manisha, now that we've taken out 54.5 in the future space on the currency derivative segment, I think